Are you interested in obtaining a PMP certification? Here are the steps you need to follow to achieve this goal. Step 1. Meet the eligibility criteria. You need to have a 4-year degree or high school diploma with 5 years of experience. You also need 35 contact hours of formal project management education/training or a CAPM certification. Step 2. Complete formal project management education. You can complete this through PMI registered education providers, PMI chapters, or employer/company sponsored programs. You need 35 contact hours of formal project management education/training or a CAPM certification. Step 3. Prepare for the exam. Review the PMP exam content outline, study PMI's official guide, take practice exams, and consider participating in a study group or PMP prep course. Step 4. Submit your PMP application. Create an account on the PMI website, complete the online application form, and wait for the application review period. This takes about 5 to 10 business days. Step 5. Schedule your exam. Once your application is approved, you can schedule your exam through the PMI website. The PMP exam can be taken either at a Pearson VUE test center or online through a secure proctored platform. Step 6. Take and pass the exam. The PMP exam consists of 180 questions to be completed in 230 minutes. The questions are a mix of multiple choice, multiple responses, matching, hotspot, and limited fill-in-the-blank. Step 7. Maintain your PMP certification. After earning your PMP certification, you need to accumulate 60 professional development units, PDUs, every 3 years to maintain the credential. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to obtaining your PMP certification. Remember to check the official PMI website for the most current information.